Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of these products that I purchased off of Amazon UK, and this is going to be my nail haul. So first I'm going to get started with this Modelones Gel Polish kit. Once you open up the box, they have a little thank you for your order and then instructions on how to use the polishes, as well as some long-lasting manicure tips. So there is no insert in this box. Everything is printed directly into the packaging. And then you have all of your polishes neatly tucked away. So we have 8 to the top and 8 to the bottom. So in total, 16 gel polishes. Now I did purchase a base and top gel from Modelones before. I really love them. So that's why I went ahead and purchased this kit. So it does comes with its own top coat as well as its own base coat as well. So I'm just going to pop all of these polishes out of this kit, and then we're going to go ahead and show you the colors. So I have all of the polishes all lined up here nice and neatly. So I'm just going to open each one of these bottles and just kind of show you the colors on the brush. I'm not going to be doing any swatches because I think the video itself is a bit long, so I don't want to have you here all day. But that was a pretty brown one, and then we're going to go into the grays, and we have a lot of different colors here. So I think this kit itself would be a very good kit for someone just starting out with gel polishes, because you have some darks, you have some lights, you have some pinks, and you have some glitters. So this would definitely be a great starter kit. So I'm going to let you watch for the remaining about 10 polishes remaining, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about the other products. So here we are on my last ball of polish, and this is such a pretty glittery pink color. I love glitters, I love pink, so that's definitely going to be a favorite. So up next I have this Saviland Acrylic powder kit. Now I have never used acrylic in my entire life, and the smell of this just takes me back to the hours and hours that I've spent in nail salons. I have nothing against them. I love the nail artists. They inspire me. But the scent is so strong, and because I've not been there such a long time, it's off-putting for me. However, I definitely want to expand my knowledge of nails, so I definitely want to learn a thing or two about acrylics. So as with all Saviland kits, it comes with an insert, and it gives you all of the tips and tricks and uses of all of the products in this kit, as well as, you know, I'm assuming some nail care in there. So again, this is a normal with all of these Saviland kits, and that's what I really like. So this is what the nail forms look like. You simply stick them on your finger, and then you form the acrylic on them. This small bottle here of liquid is the monomer, which is the liquid part that's going to adhere to the powder and turn it into a soft liquid solution that you are going to build onto your nail. It also comes with a little dish for you to pour the monomer in, and for you to dip your little brush in it. And it comes with a brush in this kit as well. So I don't know the quality of this brush, but assuming, you know, I have no issues with Saviland, so I'm expecting great things from this brush. So I chose this kit because it has lilac-y colors, and I love all things purple. And it comes with 3 acrylic powders in here. And to be honest, the jars are actually quite small. But again, this is a starting kit. This is a learning kit, I'm assuming. So for those of us that are just starting out, we don't need like large jars of acrylic powder, especially if we're just learning. So I'm going to quickly flip this over and show you all of the names of these. Pretty straightforward names. I love the names, actually. They are so cute. Violet, Dream, and I forgot what I can see what that last one was. However, I like them. You know, it's a plain lilac and then a glittery one and a not so glittery one. So yeah, let's open one of these up and let's see how it looks on the inside. Okay, so that is how this kit looks. Let's move on to the next product. So this is another Saviland product, and this time this is a dip kit. So this part is the dipping liquid set, and then I bought a separate dipping powder set because they weren't together in a kit of some sort, or at least I couldn't find one on Amazon, so I had to purchase them separate. So I am going to take out the dipping liquid set first to show you that, and then I will do the dipping powder set. So with most dipping liquid kits, it comes usually with 4 or 5 bottles. First would be the base coat. Now I did purchase another dip kit that was in one of my recent videos from Wakania, also off of Amazon. And you can see here that the bottles are quite similar in size. We will see if the consistency is quite similar as well. So usually, like I said, it comes with a base coat. Then it also comes with an activator once you're done with your base coat and dipping into the dipping powder, and then following which you would also have a top coat just to finish it all off. And then lastly, you would have a bottle of brush saver, because as you are dipping your brush in and out of different of the powder as well as the liquids, they tend to get very hard, so you need to dip it into this brush saver, which is going to remove that excess acrylic from your brush. And this kit also came with a small pack of a mini file, a cuticle pusher, a wooden cuticle pusher, and then some extra brush replacements just in case the other brushes tend to harden after a while. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out all of the dipping powders that I purchased in this 12-piece set and show you all of the colors. So these are also small as well. The jars are exactly the same size as the acrylic jars. I think there's just a difference in the, I guess, the cap, you would say. So if you are deciding to purchase an acrylic kit or maybe even just the tip kit, just know that the jars are small. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you the colors, and then I'll be right back with the rest of the products. If you watched my video of me trying dip powder for the very first time, which was that Wakania dipping powder set, it was actually quite easy to do, and the finished result was really nice. Like, I didn't have any issues, and what I really like about this kit is that all of the dipping powders are nice and bright and beautiful, so it would be perfect for spring. Okay, so if you are looking for a dip kit, I'm going to do a separate video on that, and I'm going to show you the colors on it. Okay, so quickly, I just want to show you these last few things. So I did end up getting some more buffer brushes because I started to run out of buffers, so I just purchased that. And then I got these Melly Bloom Gel Polish as well as this 2-in-1 builder base. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, well, not a lot, but I've seen it enough times that I wanted to purchase this one. Everyone raves about it according to the videos that I've watched, so I definitely wanted to have my hands on it and give it a try. 2-in-1 means you can use it as a base gel as well as a builder gel, so definitely excited to try that out. And then I've been seeing a lot of hype around this blooming gel, and I think it was used a lot in those alligator or those crocodile designs, so I just wanted to purchase one to see what the hype was about and how I would go about using it for marbles and, you know, trying to do some designs. Now, this is an Anself Polygel kit. if I did a video on these little gel paint pots that I owe you another video on that. Sorry to get sidetracked, but I'm going to be doing a video on those gel polishes. Now, this is supposed to be Anself, but it doesn't actually have the name of Anself on it. And this is a polygel kit. This is how it comes. Like, there's no box, there's no instructions. It's just 5 polygels shoved into a dirty Ziploc bag and sent to you. So already my first impression is like, you get what you pay for. So it comes with 5. This first one is called Porcelain. Number 14. This next one is called a dark pink. Then we have a clear coffee. That sounds interesting. Then we have coffee. That also sounds interesting. And lastly, we have a light pink. So I'm going to go ahead and get a card, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. These tubes are 15 grams, so they are kind of small, but again, if you compare these to Macard or Saviland, you can see that it's quite similar, or, you know, it's the regular size for polygel, so don't be too alarmed by the size. And thankfully, all of the polygels are sealed, so again, you don't have to worry. I know this was quite an inexpensive one, so again, you get what you paid for, so I'm not too concerned of the packaging. I just want to see, that is actually a pretty color. That is quite pretty. There's a little shimmer to it, you know, like porcelain, like you would expect from porcelain. But you know what? They look pretty cool. Oh, I may have used too much there. Oh my goodness, I like that pink as well. Really, really do like that. I need to bring this a little closer to you so you can see that. Look how pretty that is. That is a pretty pink nude. It's not pinky, it's like a rose. Anyway, okay, so let's see with this clear coffee. Okay, I'm not sure I would call this coffee. There's not any brownness to it, but it's quite pretty. This one, there's a little brownness to this one as well. Oh, I like that. I like that one as well. I am pleasantly surprised. Even though, you know what? Don't sleep on these cheap brands. Don't sleep on them. They end up, and these are easy to come out of the tube. And it's cold in my room. It's going to be snowing. Okay, so this is how they look when they have not been cured. So I'm going to go ahead and put these under the UV light. And this is how they look after they have been cured. So here you go. It's a little bit still sticky. So obviously you'd have to cure this and then put some top coat underneath. But that brings the end to my Amazon nail haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, comment down below, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't, and I will see you in the next video.